So, in this session, let us understand clearly the method of solving problems on Karl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation using both the methods of arithmetic mean as well as assumed mean. So, here one problem is given. Calculate Karl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation between percentage of pass and percentage of fail from the following data. So number of students and number of passed are given. So from this data, we have to calculate Karl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation between percentage of pass and percentage of fail students. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಾಟಾ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ correlation in between percentage of pass and percentage of fail. So therefore first we have to calculate number of passed students as well as number of failed students. So total number of students attended in the examination 800. Total number of students 800. So out of that number of passed students are 480. So therefore the remaining percentage is um, failed number of failed students. So therefore we have to calculate in terms of percentage of pass as well as percentage of fail. So here percentage of pass and percentage of fail. So here total uh, uh, total number of students 800. So out of that passed students are 480, and into 100 is equal to 60%. This is what the percent 60% is passed students. So 100 minus 60 is equal to 40. 40 is percentage of failed students. So therefore uh, total number of students were 600. Out of that number of passed students were 300. So therefore in terms of percentage of pass and fail, so total 600 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. 600 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 300 ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸ್. ಸೊ 600ಗೆ 300 ಪಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ 100ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 50. So therefore 50% of pass. So 100 percent means for every 100 anta 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. So percentage of fail 50, and then total 900 900 ಅಲ್ಲಿ total 900. So out of that 900 passed students were 450 into 100 is equal to 50. So 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. Therefore percentage of pass 50 and percentage of fail is equal to 50. So 700 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ 700. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ passed students were 560, and we required to calculate in terms of percentage. ಇಂಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 80 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ percentage of pass 80 and 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. 20 is the percentage of fail. So next 500 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 450. Out of 500 number of students total number of students were 500. Out of that passed students were 450 into percent 100 is equal to 90. So therefore percentage of pass were 90. 100 minus 90 is equal to 10. Percentage of fail were 10. So in the last case 300 uh, pass students. So out of 400, pass students were 300 into 100 is equal to 75. This is what percentage of a pass, 75. And then failed students were 100 minus 75 is equal to 25. This is what percentage of fail. So in this way we have to calculate the percentage of pass and percentage of fail. Therefore, from this calculation, we got one set of data and percentage of pass, and another set of data percentage of fail. So from this having from this data, having these calculations, we have to calculate the correlation. So x x series ಅಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ we have to make the difference from the arithmetic mean of all the given values, x minus x bar. So x bar ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, arithmetic mean. So that can be calculated as x bar is equal to sigma x by n. Already you know, uh, x sigma x is equal to 405 divided by n, number of items 6. So therefore 405 divided by 6 is equal to 67.5. This is what the value of x bar. So from this value we have to make the difference of all the given values. So 60 minus 67.5 is equal to minus 7.5. 50 minus 67.5 is equal to minus 17.5. 50 minus 67.5, 7 minus 17.5. 80 minus 67.5, 12.5. 90 minus 67.5 is equal to 22.5. And then to 75 minus 67.5 is equal to 7.5. So this is what making difference of all the given values from arithmetic mean, and then make the squares of x na ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. minus 7.5 whole square, 56.25, minus 17.5 whole square, minus into minus plus 17.5 into 17.5, 306.25. And again minus 17.5 whole square is equal to minus into minus plus 17.5 into 17.5, 306.25. 12.5 whole square is equal to 12.5 into 12.5, 156.25. So this is the way in which making the squares of x. And take another the series percentage of fail, and here percentage of the percentage of fail be as y, y percentage of fail ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ. ಆಗ y ಡೇಟಾ ಸೀರೀಸನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. y 40 50 50 20 10 25. And then from this make the difference of all the give values of y from y bar, arithmetic mean for y series. So y bar can be known as sigma y by n is equal to total 195 by 6 is equal to 32.5 is the value of y bar. So from this y bar, take the difference of all the values of y series. Y 40 minus 32.5, 7.5. 50 minus 32.5, 17.5. 50 minus 32.5, 17.5, 20 minus 32.5, 12 minus 12.5, 10 minus 32.5, 22 minus 22.5, and then 25 minus 32.5 is minus 7.5. Now y square, make the square of y ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು y ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಆ y ಅನ್ನು y ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7.5 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ 56.25 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 17.5 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ 17.5 into 17.5 306.25 17.5 whole square means 306.25, and then minus 12.5 whole square is equal to minus 12.5 into minus 12.5 equals minus into minus plus 12.5 into 12.5 156.25. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ the product of deviated the values of x and y. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ minus 7.5 into plus 7.5 minus into plus minus 7.5 into 7.5 56.25 minus 17.5 into plus 17.5 minus 306.25 minus 17.5 into plus 17.5 minus 306.25 12.5 into minus 12.5 minus 156.25. So in this way we are going to make the product of x and y till the end of the values, and now make the sum of xy, y square and x square. Sigma xy is equal to minus 1387.5, sigma y square is equal to 1387.5, sigma x square is equal to 1387.5. Now substituting these values into the formula, r equals sigma xy by root of sigma x square into sigma y square. So this is the formula where we used to calculate Karl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation when arithmetic mean or actual mean is used. Sigma xy minus 1387.5 divided by root of sigma x square 1387.5 into sigma y square 1387.5 is equal to minus 1387.5 divided by root of 19 lakhs 25,156 hundreds 25 is equal to minus 1387.5 divided by square root of that figure is 1387.5. Now r is equal to minus 1. This is what the negative the correlation. So negative correlation, the value of correlation is equal to minus 1, means negative correlation that indicates that two variables are moving in opposite direction. Now problems on Karl-Pearson's correlation using assumed mean. So let us understand how to calculate correlation by using assumed mean. So from this give an example. So calculate Karl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation between x and y variable. So here, and one more thing we have to keep in mind that when the values of arithmetic mean are not the exact values or not whole numbers or whole the values, then we have to take deviations from assumed mean. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈ ಬಾರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್. ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆನ್ Karl-pearson's by using assumed mean method. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ assumed mean is used. So 50 is taken as assumed mean or assumed value. So x minus a is equal to dx. X minus dx is represented as the difference of given values from all given values from assumed mean. X minus a is equal to dx. 60 minus 50 is equal to 10. 50 minus 50 0, again 50 minus 50 0, 80 minus 50 30, 90 minus 50 40, 75 minus 50 25. So like that, and then make the square of dx square. Dx oh, a square 10 into 10 100 0 0, 30 into 30 900, 40 into 40 1600, 25 into 25 625. Now take another series of values y in the next column ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Now take difference of all the given values from assumed mean, which is represented as dy. Y minus a is equal to dy. So here 50 is taken as assumed mean. 40 minus 50 minus 10, 50 minus 50 0, again 50 minus 50 0, 20 minus 50 minus 30, 10 minus 50 minus 40, 25 minus 50 20 minus 25, and then make the square of dy. Dy uh, is dy square minus 10 into minus 10 100, 0 0, minus 30 into minus 30 900, minus 40 into minus 40 1600, minus 25 into minus 25 625. Now make the product of dx into dx and dy. So here the product of dx and dy is equal to dx dy plus 10 into minus 10, plus into minus minus 10 into 10 100, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, plus 30 into minus 30, plus into minus minus 30 into 30 900, plus 40 into minus 40, plus into minus minus 4 4s are 16 1600, plus 25 into minus 25 is equal to plus into minus minus 25 into 25 625. Now sum of dx dy, sigma dx dy is equal to minus 3225, sigma dy square is equal to 3225, sigma dy is equal to minus 105, sigma dx square is equal to 3225, sigma dx is equal to 105. Now apply the formula uh, to calculate correlation. Karl-pearson's coefficient of correlation R is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy by n divided by a root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square by n into sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square by n. So this is the formula where we used to calculate correlation by when using assumed mean. Now substituting values into the formula, sigma dx dy minus 325 minus sigma dx 105 into sigma dy minus 150 divided by 105 minus 105 divided by n, number of observations or number of items, 6 divided by root of sigma dx square 3225 minus sigma dx 105 whole square by n into sigma dy square my 3225 minus sigma dy minus 105 whole square by n. Now minus 3225 minus into minus plus 105 into 105 divided by 6, 1837.5 divided by 3225 minus 105 whole square 11025 by 6 into 3225 minus 105 whole square 11025 by 6. Now minus into plus minus 3225 minus plus 1837.5, the difference will be minus 1387.5 over root of 3225 minus, when dividing 11025 by 6, then you will get 1837.5 into 3225 minus 11,025 by 6, 1837.5. In the next step, minus 1387.5 divided by root of, the difference will be 1387.5 into 1387.5. And then in the next calculation, minus 1387.5 divided by root of ಅವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 1387.5 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 1387.5. ನಾವು ರೂಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. When you when removing square root of that value and dividing that value minus 1387.5, then you will get the final answer, r is equal to minus 1. So this is what the value of correlation, Karl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation, r is equal to minus 1. And from this we infer that it is a perfect negative correlation. Perfect negative correlation shows that and tells that the two variables are x and y are moving in the opposite direction. So if x increases, y decreases, and if x increases, decreases, automatically y increases. Therefore we say that two variables are moving in opposite direction. So this is the way in which we are going to calculate the value of r, Karl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation, both the methods of arithmetic mean and assumed mean.